Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Keep top hair around 5 inches for texture and versatile styling. Trim sides to 5 inches for a defined contrast with the top. Ask your barber for a low fade blending into the 5-inch side length. Wash and towel dry hair until slightly damp before cutting and styling. Comb hair forward and identify natural cowlicks to work with your movement. This preparation gives the right canvas for the textured quiff and signature Danish Zehen. Use scissors to point cut the top for a choppy, textured finish. Create layers by cutting 1 to 2 inches off the crown area to add volume. Work the scissors vertically to remove weight while keeping movement. Keep the back tapered to 5 inches for balanced proportions and smooth transition. Blend the sides into the top with soft scissor-over comb strokes for a natural edge. Check length symmetry by comparing left and right while hair is slightly damp. Apply a dime-sized amount of matte clay to dry hair for hold and texture. Rub the product between palms until almost invisible before working through hair. Rough dry hair with a brush for 10 to 15 seconds for lift at the roots. Use fingers to shape a slight forward quiff and tousle the top for that effortless look. Finish with a light hairspray holding at 20 centimeters from the head to maintain movement. Reapply a pea-sized product during the day if needed for touch-ups.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.